The step to embrace the power of Stoicism. 1. Understand the philosophy. Take the time to study and familiarize yourself with the principles and teachings of Stoicism. Read works by ancient Stoic philosophers such as Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, as well as modern interpretations of Stoicism. 2. Accept what you cannot control. Recognize that there are certain aspects of life that are beyond your control. Embrace the idea that your power lies in how you choose to respond to situations rather than trying to control the external world. 3. Cultivate mindfulness and self-awareness. Practice being present in the moment and observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This self-awareness allows you to identify negative thought patterns or reactions that go against Stoic principles. 4. Practice negative visualization. Take time each day to reflect on the impermanence of things and imagine worst-case scenarios. This exercise helps you appreciate what you have, prepares you for setbacks, and fosters gratitude for the present moment. 5. Embrace the dichotomy of control. Differentiate between things that are within your control and those that are not. Focus your energy and efforts on what you can influence, such as your thoughts, actions, and values, rather than becoming consumed by external factors. 6. Adopt an attitude of acceptance. Embrace the idea that life is inherently unpredictable and that challenges and hardships are a natural part of the human experience. Practice accepting these difficulties with equanimity and strive to find meaning and growth within them. 7. Foster resilience and emotional detachment. Develop resilience by reframing setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth. Cultivate emotional detachment by not allowing external events or other people's opinions to dictate your inner state of well-being. 8. Practice virtue and ethics. Live in accordance with your values and strive to cultivate virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Act in alignment with these principles, even in the face of adversity or temptation. 9. Seek solitude and reflection. Carve out moments of solitude for introspection and reflection. Use this time to assess your thoughts, actions, and progress on your Stoic journey, and make any necessary adjustments. 10. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Seek out a community or like-minded individuals who share an interest in Stoicism. Engage in discussions, share insights, and learn from others who are also embracing the power of Stoicism. Remember, embracing the power of Stoicism is a continual practice that requires patience, self-reflection, and ongoing effort. By incorporating these steps into your daily life, you can gradually develop a Stoic mindset and experience the transformative power it brings. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Your support means a lot to me and helps me create more motivational content. Stay inspired and keep chasing your dreams.